session, we are going to be making a paper lantern, such as this one. In order to make this craft, we are going to need a paper roll, and we have cut down a large roll to be 6 inches in length. We're going to need a piece of paper that is 6.5 inches by 8 inches, and we will measure and cut this sheet of paper. A pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a hole punch, some glue, some yarn or string, and some sort of decoration. We have some pom-poms here for decoration. Let's get started. We're going to start by measuring our paper, and we want to get it to be 6.5 inches by 8 inches. So I'm going to measure first of all our 8 inches. Draw a line. And now I'm going to measure 6.5 inches. I'm going to cut it at 8 inches. Okay. So this piece is 8 inches, and now I need 6.5 inches down. So I'm going to measure 6.5 inches. I'm going to cut that piece off. Okay. The next we're going to do is we're going to fold our piece of paper into half. Now I've folded it on the long side, meaning this is the 8-inch side, and I've folded it into 2 pieces. So it's going to be 4 inches this way. Now that we've folded our paper, I'm going to turn it, and this is the side with the fold, this is the side without the fold. Okay? I'm going to draw a line approximately 1 inch. It can be less. I'm going to draw a line there. Okay, so you can see there's my line. Now I'm going to turn my paper this way, and I'm going to mark lines every ½ inch. Okay. I'm going to draw lines from this line here all the way down to the bottom. Okay. So I'm not drawing lines anywhere above that first line that I made. And now I'm going to cut those vertical lines. But I'm not going all the way to the top. I'm stopping at that first line that was drawn. And now we're going to remove the paper clip. Okay, and we can open it, and we're going to get something very interesting. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, we're now going to place this, the top piece, around the top of our lantern. We're going to apply glue on the inside, all along the top. Okay, all of this is going to be stuck down at the top. Okay. And it's going to come together. Now we're going to do the same thing with the bottom piece. But look at this magic. Ta-da! See, that's what forms the lantern. So we're going to apply glue on the inside again of the other side. Now all we have to do is to decorate, punch 2 holes and add our string onto our lantern. I am going to put some of this fancy tape on my lantern. This decorative tape around the top. You can use whatever you have on hand, or you can just draw something, decorate a piece of paper, you know, whatever you wish to do. You could add some yarn, tie some string, you know, put some bling. And we have the top there. You can also add pom-poms around if you want to. Now we're going to punch 2 holes at the top. I'm going to use this as my top. I'm going to use my hole punch. I'm going to punch 2 holes, one on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to take a piece of yarn or string or ribbon, whatever you have. I'm going to figure out how long I want my handle. And now I'm just going to tie my string onto my lantern. I'm going to put it through the hole. Okay. Going to bring it up. And remember how we tie a knot. Under one, the left is now under. It goes around. And if the left was under the before, its left is going to be over this time. Okay. One knot. And we are going to go again to the other side. And again, figure out how long we want our lantern to be. So here I have the left side. Let me make sure the left side is underneath, the right side is over. So I'm going to go through the hole. And now this time the left side is going to be over and the right side is going to be under. And that's your basic knot. And here we have our lantern craft. Remember, you can also decorate it with pom-poms or decorations, whatever you wish. Remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest on DIY Place, and on Instagram at My DIY Place. We look forward to hearing from you.